Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
You see all our friends and relatives with America how much years a waste time. Chum say he might have one of the largest deportation in the history of America. The whole of you come home. Come home! Poor relief and arms house they are wait for you. Come stress it. Me say for come home. You don't want another chance. You the America too long for sort out on yourself. And not sort out on yourself. Chum catch you know. Deportation. The largest deportation in the history of America. You come home. Both friend, family and relative are up there all long. There is too much way for you to sort out on yourself and not sort out on yourself. You come home. Come home, brother, sister, uncle, niece, never pick that. Uno come home. No get truck no trouble. No get ice no trouble. Uno come home. People, uno be careful of some landlord here. Some landlord them a thief. You see when you know a rent place, don't make because of desperation you rent anyway. Cause in the long run you go sorry. Some of them landlords, yes, we know most landlords have a key for the door, an extra key for the door. But you can't trust some of them are thief. When you're gone about your ways, them go in your place go search it. And I believe that everywhere you rent, a landlord supposed to have, you know, them arse and staple lock there. If it's not a combination lock you have on the door, where me can come and put in my own code. You're supposed to have, if I have no horse and stable, then put pan foul pub on the door. So when me go so boom, and me rent your place, me buy a lock different from the lock with the on the door itself. And me put on that. So you can't have no key and no access to my place. But none of them want access to your place. Some of them want to go search your place because some of them when you move in, they might never be there. So them want to see how much fan you have, how much TV you have, how much radio you have. Yes. And some of them just willingly and thief want to search your place. So be careful of what you rent and spot. You know rent and what kind of landlord you have. Because some landlord are thief. Can you imagine you go on a road and when you come, you say you're a working class person and you left out to go to work. Landlord know your hours where you go to work. She time you or him time you. If you come out and say yes, him reach a work now and something going to happen and you have to come back a yard and when you look, a landlord you see you come out of your place. Eh? Boop in them head. How you mean? You see, when you look a petty thief out the road, when you look a pet, because you're not a robber, you know, you're a thief. Robber different from thief. I don't condone none of them, but robber different from thief. Robber a man go a road, go look big money. Thief a man just come broke your house and all them something there. You see, when you look a boy out there, when know the people them and still like a thief the people them, or if you know you can't go, you set up people for thief the people them, and then when you go, you analyze the people them because the people them either take off on the mask or on the face expose or something, or the people them recognize you know. Or when you send boy if you go thief the people them things, and you might give them directives say no analyze, and them go on circumstances and them end up analyze people. Let me tell you this man. On the days I got number, on the days I got dark. Remember me telling you that. Oh, you have to rob people where you know. Whether you're mass up or not mass up, you can't send man go thief people where you know. Stop red eye over people things. Because once you got thief a man where you know, worse if you go there with fire stick and you can be identified, the first thing that come to your mind is to analyze the person because you don't want them go to station for police hunt you. Or other man when you keep up with them type of arms house they hunt you. So basically, you got to analyze the people them. Or if the people them try to defend them things, you go want to analyze them. So how if you try to thief people want to know? You understand what I say? You can't thief people where you know. And then when you analyze them, boy, John no star, it shouldn't happen, you know, shouldn't happen what. Leave the people of them things and go work. I go run risk a road. When man out a road and police and security can buck up in a uno. Or anything will happen, man. Uno a coward. Yeah, man, you see some young girl and them look good enough, cock up and look good enough. And, you know, yes, look upon them and thing, but guess what? You know them not have you as for them type. But here I know, you say for them type, them no matter where the person is, what the person have to offer. Them just want to know say them like the person there because of what? Him draw up him pants from him bottom, him look slick every day, him rub out him and miggle, him a drink a special. She no stop and question where him get the money from, you know, because she no see him a gonna work, you know. But she just love him for what? To him have him pants and him bottom because of the style where I lick. Because him a rub out him and miggle and him can dress every day. But you see the hard working man, he look dirty and he look like fair type. At the end of the day, him she want a breakfast from. At the end of the day, him she want a lunch from. So here why you see when I see them, I never bother look upon them. Because I know definitely say them not have me and see them type. So I never bother say even I to them. For them type, them no matter what them have to offer them just know say I feed them type. So them no want a man who have nothing to offer them. Them want a man who them know say yes I feed them type. Simple. You say young girl them are idiot. Fool them, man. Looks and color don't determine what kind of job you're supposed to do. So why when I walk in a certain business place and look away shabby, people are going like them don't want to attend to me. People are going like them are downgrade me. But if I walk in there in my jacket and tie with a briefcase, or I look cable, or I look tannable, like I have something in a life, everybody want to give me attention. Wanna tell me now? Looks and color don't determine what job you do, but yet still, people want to use it and determine who you are when you walk in a certain business place. And if them not know you know say your account stay up there so, them look down upon you. You see, when a girl and boy when I live now where I work in a certain of them business place, yeah. When you stop treat people like them a cruff just because of how them look. Stop treat people like cruff because of how them look. Because of who know the cruff. Because on a salary when you get behind the glass door on the day and the computer and whitlock kill on a finger with the whole heap of pen on a fair user right. You see the man who now downgrade most of the time in a far better position down. Check on yourself before you wreck on yourself. You see me I telling you about one woman. When time man come on social media come talk and talk the facts and reality of life. Especially when it involve a female. You don't go on like say, you don't want to come and bring down the man we talk say my mama man, him a this and if him not have woman, him not have sister. People, you see uno woman, uno carry down on your own self. Uno binnacle on yourself. Uno not no self-esteem. Uno not no confident in yourself. People, uno listen this.
Ashley phone. What me see one video in Ashley phone, you Jaden tongue go so. So me not understand my word. Member. Yo, Zuma member good now. Member good now, man. Yeah. Member said nothing girl don't confirm something already now. Member that. You forget. Stop your motherfucker.
You see what me I say people, and then them woman ya run out. One run out on the females them we have been nickel themselves and I call disgrace on themselves on social media, all because of social media hype. Them girl they are seasoned girl. You understand? Them go with the flow. Them go with the hype. Any man hype of them run with come like in a bar football time. when you go to school, any man at the top baller him name a call in a football, him have all 50 women around behind him. You call them season girl. All you do is run down the hype, and the hype come with one bag of disrespect. You understand? And binnacle on your own self. Uno woman out there love running at people comment. Let me soon comment on this and talk about these females. We are behave in a manner in a social media. We are downgrade and degrade themselves from one friend to the other, all because of hype. Social media hype. Yes, man. People, tell me the truth. Why me I go to Jamaica? I live like a king in my own rights. Have me igloo where me can buy ice put in a. Quench me juice, go in at any time. Have me piece of bed pan black. Can lie down and sleep anytime I want to sleep. And me I go leave Jamaica, which is my country, and go in our next man country. But they relinquish me kingship and becomes a fly. Eh? Not to mention uno Jamaican, we are run go foreign with no lazy self. And feel like say foreign a bed of rose. You say if you not run left Jamaica, whatever you have a yard, so someone have a good work and run left Jamaica and go live like a fly America for all 10, 15, 20, 30 years. You better plan for work. Nothing will come easy in America. You can't run next door go beg a spoon of salt or go beg a dinner. So uno lazy people, this is for uno. We want to go foreign. Make sure when you not left Jamaica on a plan for work, you don't want to work a yard, no, so you don't go want to work abroad. And it will even 5-6 times harder for work abroad to achieve anything you want in life. You make sure you make up your mind what you want. Else you not go to America, go suffer Canada or England. People, I just brush my teeth and wash my mouth. And in time you see me, I always talk out and my clean mouth. So who not like when I talk, just chuck off down a wharf. I want to know, I ask a question again. Why they do a video about the woman them low self-esteem and no confidence in themselves? I go ask a question here again. I mean, nobody ask me how me always talk about. I talk about man, I talk about woman. I talk about woman mostly because a woman I mostly interact with. I not interact with man on a certain level. So I more admire and observe the woman them and how I observe man. So I have to talk about the woman them. Because I want to see more ladylike woman out the road. I can't take the little flan waist girl them out the road. You understand? Some of these young girls, one can't be creative on the app, especially TikTok. When you come up on social media and literally sell on yourself, sell on nobody. When you come up on TikTok, you can be more creative, you know. You can come up with some topic, some social topic, some public topic. You can hold some real reasoning, family reasoning. You don't have to come on the app in a skimpy wimpy clothes, sit down in a chair, walking up on your foot halfway for people can see, man can see, and I don't know on the app just a beg a go so because you don't want man for going to things. So you come and sell on nobody indirect. You can be more creative, young woman. You don't now look good on the app, man. I see you have 2 black ones, them say them must be twin. All them do is come on the app, sit down in a one chair with some all-time days curtain. Not even when you go photo studio, you see them the curtain hang up again as background to take picture. And them just sit down and them not say nothing, them not teach you, nothing, them not try to find out, nothing, not learn, nothing themselves, bring up a topic, nothing, them just sit down and just say, tap up the screen, guys, send me a gift, guys. And them sit down and them sex the chair or whatsoever them lie down on, because when them done wine, not even real, never have so much wine. And you can actually see up on a day. You understand me? I say, you have to be more creative, man. You know, a young woman, you know, man. Young girl like you don't have no good mind and thinking. You have to go on that way there. At the lowest level that in a man for a female, you know. Come on, man, and do better than that, man. Come on the app more creative. Or come and, you know, talk about something of relevance. Instead of just come and play music and sit down and whine. Nothing wrong with playing some music and enjoy yourself and interact with you. But it's how you do it. Someone actually half-dressed, actually naked. And we know what's that all about. You know, just a selling yourself indirect. You have to do better than that. Some woman, you know, that road. You know, the artist thing. Because you know, this whole heap of falls here. And makeup. But it still want to down the yard. You understand? And when the man wake up with in the morning time, you know the ugliest thing, man have to throw a sheet over you know. You understand? Yes man, you know hard to look pan, but when you know that road, you know the hottest thing. Can you believe it? And when you wake up morning time when the man stretch, and him turn and him look pan, you know, him have to throw a sheet over you like when tranquility come for body and have to throw a sheet over it and body it up and carry it away. Eh? I want to so hot when you know that road. You know for hot a road and hot a yard, hot in on the wig, hot in on the makeup, and hot without it. You know, boy. People, so where this mark, speak my mind entertainment. That no mean me's a entertainer. This no mean me have me's a producer and nothing at all. It's just a YouTube channel. Name. And at the back, Life is a Mission. TV. Another YouTube channel. Which is also my TikTok name. The one I name my opinion and your opinion. I mean, I want you to come and give me an opinion because the individual me I go talk about, you don't like him. I don't want you to come and give me an opinion because when me I go talk about, you don't like dancer. This entertainer, I never know saw him. Scroll and see where police stop him from perform in a Mecca club. And that seems like a sometime this week. I don't know if a Thursday or Wednesday or when. And I've been hearing it over and over say any promoter will book him now get no wait name the permit. And then when they perform, they might come stop him or stop the show or whatsoever. People, him do a song, basically it seems like him do the song because I'm not really familiar with him either. This song was say him use beats and lick down police or something like so. People, it's just entertainment. You understand? It's just about music. I have seen where law enforcement men out there dance to some more dangerous lyrical songs than this way them a pressure this brother yafa. Violent song, them a dance to, them a rock to, you know, them care and them a do everything. And I am saying, you know, I better them ban the song or tell him say the song cannot be find out. Me don't know if it's legal to do so. You know, when them find a way to tell him say, boy, watch out, this song cannot be promoted. No way at all. You can't do that song, yeah. If you want to perform. But if you are gonna stop this young man from, you know, use his talent to make a living and make a earning when he can feed him family and whatsoever and make a better life, it not look good. For a song, freedom of speech. People might say, what kind of speech? Freedom of speech. So me I say, them need to come to some solution where this youth is concerned. Don't just mash up the youth career. You understand? And probably him have a case, you know, where he can bring against the force, you know. Yes, man. Probably him have a case, probably him can bring a case against the force. I don't know if this get a lawyer, I don't know, I just saying. But it not look good for stop him career, trust me. Entertainment are entertainment. People say enough things where them not mean. When it come on to entertaining. That not say you gotta go out of the way and do certain things. But as me say police have vibes to violent song. Take out all them weapon and use it. To salute when all the alcohol busting on them head. So me I say, my opinion, your opinion. Tell me one thing. It's not a good look for them to pressure him like this. To mash up his career. Just because of that one song. While there is so much violent song out here. You understand? In a country like Jamaica where we're there. Where them see them wanna rock to, wanna vibes to, and volume high in them car. It's just my opinion. What about your one? Go in the comment section. Remember now, don't be a hater of this gentleman. I don't know him. I'm never familiar with him. If me never stroll on Instagram and TikTok a while ago, I wouldn't see it. And if he's not a fan of dancehall, don't use that to share an opinion because you don't like dancehall. Alright? Bless up. People, you see in a life, you see when you start being successful in a life, people no matter which part you come from, people no matter the sufferation you go through, the struggles, them no matter. Them no business how you achieve your success. Them only want to see you get successful in a life. And you know the first set of people start grudge and bad mind you and start hate you are your friends and family. What me say? The first set of people start bad mind you with your success are your friends and family. And remember, they were the one closest to you, who know your struggles, where you did go through, who know where you are coming from to reach where you reach at the time. It no matter which part or what level of success, you gain success because what? You past the stage of where you were. You couldn't find pound of rice, now you can find a bag of rice. You couldn't find a sardine, now you can find 10 pound of pork, 10 pound of oxtail. And the same people them you and them come from a certain level start bad mind you. All because what? Them feel like I should have did them. Yeah man, in the back of them mind, I should have did me. I should have did me. Them first one rise. You understand? Them now look point and say, boy, you can rise and probably help them to rise, if I even for motivate them. If you not help them financially or physically, you know, you help them by motivating them to make them say, boy, watch ya. The whole of we are come from the same stage. You understand? And me rise, so Uno can rise too. Yeah man, just remember, your family and friends are the first set of people them start hating and grudge for your success. Yes, my people, I'm in search of Cripple you know. It's a new week, you know. The second week of me giving back 1 month worth of food to Cripple. Normally I would normally buy groceries and give to people, but he has nowhere to put groceries. So I take the initiative to do it like this. It costing me more, but I saw it go. Because normally I buy 10 or 12,000 worth of grocery and give a person a 2,000 in them pocket, because you don't know, you buy them grocery, they might use coal fire and no coal, you know buy coal. You understand? They might use kerosene oil if you burn them little lamp. You know, buying a curse, so you give them a little 2,000 in them pocket to do something different, right? So, I take the initiative to give him a food, like one each day for 1 month. So, but there you know with Cripple, see in there? Yeah, man. Juice and them water, cause this way I do it cost me about 3 times if I did buy the grocery, you know, people. Yeah, man, 3 times it cost me. Yeah, my people, Cripple collect him lunch, you know. So Cripple, big up yourself tomorrow again, you know.
Yeah.
Start of a new week. Alright, tomorrow. And take care of yourself, you know, because they say storm a come. You don't know if it's going to reach and rain going to fall. You don't wait till the rain come down from your yard run and go drop. So if you have to go on a shelter underneath there, so when you see the rain start dew down, you make sure you go over there. Alright? Yeah, don't wait till it come down from your heavy. Yeah man, it cost me about 3 times doing it this way, but I just saw it go, you have to do what you got to do, you know? Simple as that, because my project if I spend like $1,000 every day for 34 days, and that would be 34,000. While if I did buy a bag of grocery for him for 10,000 and give him 2,000, that would be like 12,000. You understand? But this way it cost more. But as I said, him not have nobody, nowhere to put the grocery. When I go buy if me not buy like dry snacks, him still not know where to put it. So it don't make no sense. So this is the best way to make sure him ensure him have a meal at least 1 day for 1 month, each day for 1 month. Better than nothing at all, you know. And if everybody can do something like this, it would be good, whether in your community or somewhere else, you know, help the needy and not the greedy. The needy, not the greedy, because you have to be careful. Because the greedy, them always out there look something. So them always stop the needy from receive. You understand? So you have to make sure you know the greedy different from the needy. So you don't give the greedy, you give to the needy. Bless upon yourself. Alright? Yes, man. And anybody out there feel like them want to come on board with them can't want to extend the month, you know. You can come on board. Extend the month for Cripple. Understand? Yeah, man. You can just drop in the message and give me a message. So people, it's a failed attempt to find Cripple. See one I'm spot there. See him next spot over there so behind the truck. See him next spot there so. And see him spot there so. And he's nowhere to be found. I drive go up on the top of the road and I not find him. I drive go up on the top of the road and I not find him. And I circle the place and I still not find him. Well, and my brethren just stop and tell me say I have to go around a Rosalie Avenue, so I go down Beatrice Crescent here, so Mall Road stays to see a place here and go around panel next turn around here. So if I don't see him by coming up, that's it. So people, this is a failed attempt of finding Cripple. I might circle him back in another hour or so to see if I see him surface. If not, it's a full failed attempt. But at this moment, I can't find him. Alright? Him food up on the dashboard and him water the right side of me and him juice. As I said, I don't know where go on yesterday because the rain, people, trust me. I never remember nothing about Cripple yesterday. Because after me wake up and come out 11 o'clock and go back in, I never wake up till after 5 the evening. And from me wake up, I don't remember nothing. So I hope him alright through the weather. But I give him back a circle and see where go on, you know? So people, it's a rain. I'm going to look for Cripple because from the storm, I don't see him, people. I'm going to look for him yesterday for carry him food, go give him. And I don't see him. I passed him a while ago and tell him, I soon come and ask him where him did them and tell me say him go bathe and thing. I show me him clothes, I say change clothes. So I say go bathe. And him say yeah! So I just go buy him food, see there. So I can't go give him a rain come down. Although this whole sky did a black up still, so I know I expect the rain. So I go check him here now. I don't see him on the two of the corner, but he normally behind the bus and the shed still. You thunder clap the people. We just go for say me not see him and I only hear somebody ball out. Yo! Cause him the further down, him the right on the corner him that normally him the further down on the shed. My boss! I the yo me here now, make me look back, you know. Cause I say me not see up on the stone there, so but there's a wetish for the stone there. So basically you could have to go carry the stone them the way I normally see them, so we never see him. You could have to go carry the stone them around the other side or put some different stone here, so when they start wet up, you can there. So although you have right here, so still can't sit down. Remember, your skull school yesterday, me not see you. You say you go hold a wash off. So when me I go to know, when me I forward, I'll do the first that me sin still. But when me I forward, me I come make sure me see you first before me go buy the food. Because me have to give you the food yesterday. Alright? So tomorrow, you'll see there, be here rain. Yeah man. Be here rain. Yeah man. Run go back in the car, you know. Yeah! Don't you ever come back around here, when you ever come around, you know, come back around. I may have to lock you. Yeah man, so all who just go see that video yeah, for the first time, there's a couple more on the channel where you can watch. And if you go over Life is a Mission TV, you go subscribe to my YouTube channel, which that's how I can able to do this. You know, I give back from the liquor what I get at the end of the month. And normally I would give like a little bag of grocery and a little slide pen in them pocket, but him not have nowhere to put it. So what I do, I take the initiative to make sure I buy him like I buy him a food every day, and I plan to do it for a month, right? But I don't know, after the month I might just take it as an initiative when I just know say boy I buy my food every day. You understand? Yeah. After the month done, I might do that. And at the same time, anybody out there will see this and want to contribute towards buying my lunch, you know, or contribute to the system, it would be better for even me. Yeah, man, because probably I can end up find somebody else who I can add to the list and do the same thing. And a charity we are talking about, you know, we just talk about give back from the liquor where you earn. Alright? So, you can go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV on YouTube and also follow me on this page on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Bless upon yourself. Winston, you can't take time, you know, man. You know, I'm not drinking, afraid of choke. And you get a box of food and you now go in your pocket and buy a water and you go drink when I toilet, when I face basin. You're dangerous, you're too mean.
We have a buckler, we have a can water.
Then I bet you buy a cripple, you're not doing it. You're growing in the bathroom, go drink water from the bathroom. You're too mean, man. People watching. When I'm watching people, I tell you, down the passage, I'm going to drink water.
Yeah.
Too me talk, him run, come out, people. Where? Too me talk, make you run, come out. So buy something to drink now, no? Something, what you say? Up here in the igloo?
Yeah.
So you get a whole of food, you couldn't buy a juice or something? We don't know about that, you could buy a juice or something.